Hello, on the air rapid voice news, health information, commentary and analytics.
Although there's a growing sense that normalcy is within reach after the devastating COVID-19 pandemic, experts are continuing to push for more vaccinations, particularly as new research details the long-term consequences for those who are diagnosed with TH. San Francisco AP, two of the nation's largest university systems, say they intend to require COVID-19 vaccinations for all students, faculty and staff on University of California and California State University campuses this fall, several U.S. colleges and
the sharp rise in cases could send several counties back to extreme risk restrictions.
Some doctors speculate that as cases of respiratory syncytial virus dropped off during lockdown, children did not develop normal immunity, leading to fresh flare-up of disease.
"11 Oregon counties are at risk of moving into the extreme risk category. Moving into the extreme risk category will force restaurants and bars to shut down indoor dining. It will be tough for many gyms to operate on-site and social gatherings will be
St. George, a week after being moved to the lowest alert level in the state's COVID-19 transmission index, an uptick in new infections has moved Washington County back up to the moderate level, and the recent increase in infections in Iron County now has I.
Here is today's COVID-19 update from the County Health and Human Services Agency with data through April 21st.
Rapid COVID-19 tests are now available at pharmacies in the U.S. Dr. Michael Mina of Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health says these can help people wondering if they are infectious right now.
COVID-19 infections in adults of all ages fell by 65% after a first dose of AstraZeneca AZNL or Pfizer PFEN vaccine in UK research, which scientists said showed the real-world impact of the nation's immunization campaign against the pandemic.
It's not just about cutting things out of your diet. Eating this one thing regularly may significantly reduce your cancer risk.
The study's author says he was shocked to find the toll of long COVID was so substantial and multifaceted. When you put all together, it's actually quite jarring.
The county received reports of people going door to door offering tests, and a California company has also set up pop-up locations at parks and sidewalks.
Whether or not a customer at Azure Cafe wants sugar or milk with their order, every cup of coffee Tracy Roberts brews is bittersweet.
Approximately 800 Department of Defense employees and members of the military community who received COVID-19 vaccines at Fort George G. Meade on April 7 and on April 12 will likely need to get a third dose after Kimbrough Ambulatory Center discovered some of
Do you need to wear a mask outdoors if you're socializing, dining, running? Here's how experts recommend assessing risk.
As supply for COVID-19 vaccines is starting to outpace demand in Utah, and the state appears to be in the midst of another plateau in new cases, state officials reminded Utahns Thursday that we're very close to the finish line but haven't crossed it yet.
It were Rapid Voice the News. Stay with us for advertising and marketing. Contact or email addresses rvntimes@rvntimes.com or by phone at 929 274 1118.